I'm here.
What's up, you sophisticated gentleman?
What's up, baby?
How's it going, my guys?
Lol.
We are all here.
Let's do it.
We are all
I
beer.
guess we're starting.
We are
We
friends.
are all beer.
There
we're
is
not
friendly
against each
fire,
other.
by the way, so do be careful.
Yes. Hiya. Ooh. If that missed, it would have gotten Gabe so hard.
So these yellow wasp things are what we're trying to kill.
Guess you didn't figure it out. Whoa!
Oh,
Ow.
no.
And he's dead.
You guys got this.
Hello.
Oh, I mean, you gotta smack. It's a lightsaber. You're good.
How about these?
Just wave the stick around,
Have at thee.
and you'll be fine.
You underestimate my power!
Come here, you little shit.
Hit his ass.
Ooh. Ooh.
Sad.
Kevin.
How did I miss?
That was
How did I fucking
inconsensual.
manage that? I got another one.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh,
I think you killed
Oh,
that.
my bad.
you're good. You're back. You're back.
Oh, I'm alive.
He did
You
make
guys
that.
survive 3 rounds, and then we move on to the next stage, and we gain back a life. I think.
Basically, yeah.
Oh,
Go
oh.
back!
Don't get hit by that laser.
Gilgamesh.
Careful. Oh. Nice.
Fatality.
Okay, what do we want as our power up?
Higher jump, stronger pull. I like blades.
Wow, shotgun, baby.
No, a shotgun, baby.
Oh, you want to f with me? I'm the man with a shotgun. You're dead.
Whoa!
Damn, that would be cool if it wasn't a
Mark,
line
on
from
you.
this asshole.
Ooh! You killed my family.
Always out.
I mean, you might tell you.
Game. Help, Marcus, help me.
You got it.
I'm a Jedi Master. How about these?
I'm a giant big boy. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, shit!
Kill.
You jumped right
last
into
one.
that.
That was awesome.
Did you
Or
see
gentlemen.
that?
I saw that so
Connor,
hard.
you got this.
Come here, baby. I'm about to get you.
How about these, bitch?
Nice.
It worked. Have at thee.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. I respect
good.
that bomb throw.
What the? Okay, he teleported.
Oh!
Oh. I'm sorry.
Kill
No, you're
him?
good, you're chill, you're
I
chill.
didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
God damn it!
Me again?
Yep, you got this, though.
I'm just so good at this game.
It's that good.
Even though this is your first day playing.
Nice.
He's a god.
I'm
He's
amazing.
Who am I to speak down to him?
It's so easy to kill each other here. There's 4 of us.
God,
It's
I'm a
so easy to
moron.
kill yourself if you jump into the
Don't-
lava.
don't look at me. I'm a moron.
You got it.
I have no weapon.
Damn
Until
it.
now, baby.
Here, have this one.
Oh, I should not be right
Don't
now.
fucking kill me, you jerk. I knew that was on purpose.
Oh, my
Oh,
bad.
crap.
Good hack.
Hey, a nuke.
Oh, if you
Alright.
press right trigger, you can thrust with it. Or whatever your...
You can hold it.
Yeah, you can thrust.
Whoa. I got him.
I think he died.
You
I think I killed him.
nuked your own teammate, you asshole.
Oh.
God damn it.
Sweet. Sticky boom boom.
What I did? Oh,
Well.
wait.
Whoa.
Why can't I just threw my shit.
Don't
I knew
look
it.
at me. I'm an idiot.
Whoa. Yo.
Yeah, bro, I can feel you.
Oh.
What the f?
What is that? What is this thing?
That's a
Yeah,
laser.
bro.
Cross
laser.
beams.
Throw it, throw it, throw it. You're
That's
about...
it.
It's a freaking
It's an
implosion.
implosion. Whee! Wow. I was birthed from it. I'm a mistake of the universe.
I was
Welcome
birthed from
to
it.
life.
Look at me, Dad.
Laser.
Whoa.
I know what I'm doing.
Damn that almost killed me,
I
man.
killed it.
That was on accident. I want this weapon.
No.
Not this one. I want this one.
Ooh.
Oh.
I sniped him with a pistol. What's up?
More particle blades?
More blades?
Big sword.
I'm in danger.
I probably should be AFK.
That's
Oh,
crazy.
my bad. My bad. My bad. My bad, baby. My bad.
That's crazy.
Oh, I killed a
I don't
man.
have anything. Please. I don't have a weapon.
Did you say you're so horny?
Now I am depression.
Oh, I live. I didn't even realize.
Ah. Now that's the.
Oh. Oh.
I just died. I
Uh-oh.
just got sliced with a
I'm
It's up to
lightsaber.
you, Marcus.
Oh no, why? Why you do this to me?
Don't look at me. I'm a dumbass.
You got it. Whoa!
Oh,
Eat
sorry.
it.
I don't know how, but I
Eat
can
it.
miss.
Yes.
Nice.
Well, watch out, that's gonna hurt.
I almost got killed by. No way, you just died.
I jump into the abyss! Hooray! Ooh.
Wow.
Don't get hit by that, please.
Nice.
What is?
Nice.
Ooh, what does this button do?
I live!
I wonder what's this big
Dude, all of our buttons are really good right now, too.
Don't
I can use the force?
Die.
I love that song.
That's
I didn't know
your
it was a
fault.
Jedi
That
spider.
is your fault. You should have recognized I was a dumbass.
Wow.
That's totally your fault, Matt.
Oh my goodness.
You
Whose fault is it for being the idiot? In the first place.
I
it was a
wasn't
Jedi
born
spider.
this way.
No! Oh! I was just pinned down by my own gravity boom boom. Oh my goodness.
Pull that one, the book
Oh, you hit my
sapling.
stick away.
I call that with the
It broke
books.
my
Oh jeez. I got
I
a
thought
knife.
Marcus just killed himself with his own sword.
I almost did.
Well, that'd be me. That would be,
Got him.
me. I'm the blue samurai guy over here.
Damn
Oh
it.
no, I almost killed myself.
Hello, I'm not doing anything.
I have no weapon. Oh, I'm scared I have no weapon.
You have no weapon? You have no weapon?
You have no
Hey,
oven?
shut
No
up.
weapon? You have no weapon.
Frick you. Frick
Oh
you.
shit!
Come here.
Oh, shit.
I am dead.
Give.
Okay,
What's okay?
Smack that. You can smack that, by the way.
Oh, it's gone.
Smack that.
Just smack that.
Smack that. Thanks.
And he's dead.
Get him, gentlemen.
Whoa, boy.
Ooh.
I tried.
You fool.
I ain't happy.
Oh.
Feeling glad I
Where am
got
I?
sunshine.
don't know what's
And
happening.
I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming.
What the heck are you talking about? Hooray!
You never
It's
heard of
gorillas, man.
What's a gorilla?
This game is so chaotic.
Yes.
Marcus, should we also get the ghost one where like you die, you become ghost?
Oh, the like astro form.
Yeah, after form or
Maybe.
something like that.
Oh, we should get
Help,
the.
I don't have weapon. I have no weapon.
We should get the one where you can attach.
Ooh.
Whoa! She went flying. I want to play on it.
God damn it.
Sorry.
Use your Getsuga Tensho.
Getsuga Tensho! Where am I? Oh, I'm dead. What did I die from?
You went to space.
Yeah, my body's floating in space.
Reign of Death.
Yeah, that's how I'd expect an anime movie.
That was beautiful.
Death to go.
That was beautifully done. Yeah, I got a shield.
Oh, good.
I got a shield, baby. What's up, baby?
Oh, that was funny.
Whoa!
I
Don't
just
you?
got launched at that thing in like my.
Yeah! Whoa!
Sorry, gentlemen.
I forget about team killing.
No, it's all good.
What's happening?
I forget it happens to do.
God damn it.
Are you guys fighting each other? What's
Yeah.
happening here?
Ah, good question. Whoa. Hang on, deflect.
It's gonna be like Star Wars all over again.
Wow!
Oh, my bad.
Oh,
Hey, guys, look what I got for a weapon.
I think I killed 2 of them. I'm sorry.
What the heck happened, man?
I didn't expect to take out 2 of you.
No, you're good.
Oh, my bad. Oh no, no! Oh, he's got a big sword.
Nice.
Good, man,
Sword.
man.
Ooh, I'll take this, certainly.
Did you just die?
Man, Gentleman is just that good.
Clutch it up. Clutch it
I
up.
believe in
Clutch
gentlemen.
it,
He's got this. Look at that.
Look at that. Perfect precision,
Look at
aim,
his-
accuracy. He's got nothing.
You're
Look at
away.
this. This is a battle of the ages.
What the?
I have no idea how to.
I missed. Like an idiot.
Hey, that's
don't
my
want this
job.
thing.
I'm the idiot here.
I'm the stupid.
Stay away from me.
I want this thingy. Yes, Queen. Yes, he's dead. Whoa! Whoa!
I'm blasting off again. Whoa, that was really close to
I'm
my
blasting
forehead.
up into space.
Sorry, my guy.
Stay back.
Who are you, Team Rocket?
Oh yeah. I'm blasting up into space again. Hello.
Oh, the snipe.
Yes.
Wait, he just legs. Oh,
I just saw my light flash before my face.
I'm shooting lightsabers. Careful.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You're about to kill Gale
Let's
on
go,
that one.
baby.
Yeah.
Hey, frick you. Frick you. Get away.
I'm not trying to hurt you.
Oh,
But I am.
I didn't
Oh.
do that.
That was my bad.
Cool and amazing and awesome and dead.
Woo!
I just killed 2 of you. I just killed 2 of you. I complete another accident.
Woo! I got a boom boom. That's not good. I live. Go away.
How many times have you done that? How many times has that happened
killed-
to us where like we
killed so
try
many
to throw a
people.
bomb but he just follows us?
That's annoying. Okay.
God.
Fatality.
I got a taste of my
gonna
own
say
medicine.
Battle Royale.
I got a taste of my own medicine.
We're turning this into just
careful.
He got tired of me.
an iframe.
Hey.
Oh! He
Alright,
overpowered
if
me!
one of us is not a complete idiot, could we stop dying?
No.
And that one of us who is not a complete idiot is not me.
Girl breathing. First form, get some bitches.
More control
First
on
level
the
with a friendly wasp.
Oh! They want control in the air.
You gain allies.
I mean, yeah, allies. He's a blue man. Look at him, he's adorable. And he's gonna.
We have 2 blue. We have like 3 blue mans. Oh my.
And there's only one.
Go
away.
That
guy pushed me into the edge of
I
nothingness.
think it's just you, Gabe.
Now there's none.
I can't jump. I can't jump or do anything. I'm stuck here. What the hell is happening?
Get to go,
I
yo!
can't
You're on
jump.
the Ellen DeGeneres show.
Ellen DeGeneres. Good.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Gentlemen, I'd move if I were you. Well,
Oh, I didn't realize it was alive. I
Dead.
can't. I'm stuck. I can't move. What the
No,
hell?
you're dead now.
I can't move.
Oh god.
Yeah, I know, but I couldn't move.
oh. That's not okay.
For some reason,
I'm
I'm
dead.
stuck there, and I can't
Guys, I'm
jump. I don't
fucked
know
up.
what it's about.
Me and Marcus were the only ones.
Yeah.
No.
Dude,
Oh.
That's unfortunate.
You stupid gay man! I got that big
don't
flip
know,
over
right?
me.
Oh.
Yeah.
throw the nuke.
Oh!
I died, Marcus.
Yes?
Shit.
Oh,
Oh.
frick, guys. No, I got this. I got this.
Uh-oh, we're screwed.
Clutch it up.
Yeah. Nope.
Why'd you throw the nuke, my guy?
I
Grab the sword.
don't know. I don't know why I did that. Yeah!
Like, don't throw the nuke. Throws it.
Well then.
Nice.
Yes.
Good clutch.
I got a shield, baby!
I died immediately like an idiot.
It should like
No! Get off
makes
me!
no sense that I managed to do
Why?
it and then immediately I
Uh-oh.
Oh god. Zeus!
Well, need to.
Why did I say that?
I don't know if I lost connection or what, but nobody's moving.
Oh, that's not good.
The sun again.
Because, I mean, we're all here. Still doing things.
Sun help. Oh
It's just
god, am I the
gentlemen
only
not
one
moving.
left? Oh,
Yeah, I
no.
can't see anything that's not. I can't see anything that's happening. I'm frozen where everybody's just standing still.
Oh, there's my mouse. I mean the cursor.
You are the
I
cursor.
swear I've been playing with my mouse this whole time. Oh shit.
This last one.
That could not have gone any more perfect.
Let's clutch. Roll back.
Yeah.
I'm really enjoying this game right now. That I'm definitely playing. I can
Damn.
definitely
Mr.
see-
Crab,
And leave and come
I
back.
have an idea.
I don't think that's...
Mr.
no.
Crab. Oh shit.
Wah. Do-do-do-do-do.
No way. You threw the.
I didn't throw
What
anything.
the hell do you have? What the?
Uh-oh.
I'm dead.
I should not even be alive. Oh. It's just you and me now, God.
Fucking Zeus,
Hey,
man.
sword below you, sword below you.
Won't help you. You'll need the power of a god to
Okay.
stop him.
Damn.
And we're out of lives.
Return to the lobby for me. I
Dang
need
it.
to go to sleep.
Oh. Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
You need to go to sleepy sleep.
I just want chocolate.
Chocolate? Chocolate?